The Polymer Preparation System is designed for controlled preparation of polymer solutions for the Nanospider Electrospinning process. The system combines mixing, dosing, and process handling into a single, compact, integrated unit. Temperature is continuously controlled by an integrated heating and cooling system, ensuring stable preparation conditions. The process is based on predefined recipes, enabling consistent and repeatable solution quality. The operation is simplified and requires minimal manual intervention. The system works as a closed unit, reducing operator exposure to chemicals and improving overall safety. Precise control of dosing and weighing ensures accurate preparation of each batch. All key parameters are continuously monitored, providing full control over the process. The result is a reliable, automated, and efficient solution for laboratory, pilot, and industrial environments. Elmarco. Think big, go nano.